True story. A company wanted to sell something for $10. They changed the price to $9.99. And suddenly, millions more adults bought it, including your parents. All because of 1 penny. Wait, what? Hi friends, I'm Newsman Stan. Today's unbelievable story comes from the Wall Street Journal newspaper. And today, I'm going to let you in on a secret that businesses have used to trick your parents their entire lives. Your parents have probably heard about this trick before. But here's the crazy part. Even knowing about it doesn't help them. Their brains fall for it anyway, every single time. And by the end of this episode, you'll know exactly how to use this trick to get whatever you want from your parents every time you go to a store together. Like many adults, their brains are broken. Not like broken. They function fine. They can drive a car, make dinner, buy you stuff. But when it comes to prices at the store, adult brains do something so silly that businesses all over the world have made billions and billions of dollars from it. Here's what happens. Show any adult something that costs $9.99. Their brain says, that's $9. Fine, I'll buy it. Now show them the exact same thing for $10. Their brain says, $10? That's too much. I don't know about that. 1 penny. That's the difference between yes and no, between buying and not buying, between your parents opening their wallet and putting it back in their pocket. 1 penny, so worthless that the United States government recently stopped making it entirely. And here's why adult brains are so easy to fool. It doesn't matter how smart they are, a rocket scientist, a brain surgeon, a NASA astronaut. It doesn't matter. When any adult sees a price, their brain becomes lazy. It sees $9.99 and thinks that's $9. Cheap, it sees $10 and thinks expensive. 1 penny apart, completely different reactions. Their brain made up its mind before it even finished reading the price tag. And as you know, 9 is a shorter number. 10 is a longer number. Their brain sees a longer number and thinks that's more money, even though it's only 1 worthless penny more. And businesses know all of this, which is why most prices end in a 9, not a 6 or 7 or any other number. Walk into any toy store, any candy shop, any video game store, and look at the price tags. 9, 9, 9, everywhere you look. Your parents have fallen for this trick thousands of times. Thousands. Every trip to the supermarket, every toy store, every gas station, thousands of times. 1 worthless penny every single time, and they have no idea. I'm not capping. It's not just $9.99. It works anywhere. A price ends just 1 penny below a number that feels clean and simple. 99 cents, 1 penny below $1. $4.99, 1 penny below $5. $9.99, 1 penny below $10. Always 1 penny below. Never exactly at. 1 worthless penny making all the difference. A pack of gum, 99 cents. A small Lego set, $9.99. Look at the prices next time you're at a store. Almost everything lands just 1 penny below, every single time. On purpose, because of 1 worthless penny your parents' brains can't resist. Stay with me because I'm going to show you exactly how to use all of this to get what you want from your parents whenever you go to the store together. A teacher at Columbia University, a school right here in New York City, studied adult brains for years. Here's the best part. Even when adults know about the trick, even after someone explains it to them, their brain still falls for it automatically. Your parents could hear this entire story right now, your teacher could hear it, your grandparents could hear it, and the next time any of them see $9.99, their brain would still say yes. They can't help it. 1 worthless penny. Every time. Which means you have a superpower that most adults don't know you have. The boss of Hasbro, the business that sells some of your favorite games, Monopoly, Transformers, and Connect 4, has a special name for the $9.99 price. He calls it a snackable price. Small and easy, like reaching for a pack of gum at the checkout counter without even thinking about it. Before adults have thought too hard, they've already paid. All because of 1 worthless penny. Okay, friends, here's where it gets useful for you. Anytime a price ends just 1 penny below a number that feels simple, someone did that on purpose to trick adult brains with 1 worthless penny. Next time you want your parents to buy you something, don't ask for the $5 version. Find the $4.99 version. Hand it to them without saying anything. Their brain will see $4 cheap, and their broken brain will do the rest. All because of 1 penny. But here's the move that really works. Hand them the $4.99 thing and say, Mom, Dad, this is under $5. You spend more than that on Starbucks coffee every morning. Their brain is already on the yes side. And you know something they don't? You're welcome. So what's the secret here? One penny, one worthless penny that the government stopped making. That's all it takes to switch an adult brain from no to yes. A rocket scientist's brain, a brain surgeon's brain, a NASA astronaut's brain. Every adult brain. Every single time. Businesses figured this out a long time ago. Now you have too. Use it wisely. Well, that's it for me for today. But remember, friends, while it's a complicated world out there, there's always something incredible in today's newspaper. And I promise to find it just for you. Make it a great day, and I'll see you next time.